Welcome to DICS Daily Current Affairs. Today's news is Proposal of Gold Exchange by SEBI. The Securities and Exchange Board of India, SEBI, has proposed a framework for setting up a spot gold exchange. The spot exchange is where financial instruments such as commodities, currencies, and securities are traded for immediate delivery. Why do we need such gold exchange? To create a vibrant gold ecosystem in India which is commensurate with its large share of global gold consumption. India, after China, is the second largest consumer of gold globally, with annual gold demand of approximately 800 to 900 tons, and holds an important position in the global markets. The objective behind setting up gold exchanges is for India to become a price setter rather than a price taker, and to establish an India Good Delivery Standard akin to London Bullion Market Association accredited gold bars. Setting up a new stock spot gold exchange has advantages such as single good delivery standard, reduced market fragmentation, improved liquidity, and single reference price. Proposed structure of gold exchange. In the first tranche, an entity desirous of delivering gold, locally manufactured or imported, on the exchange platform would have to approach a SEBI regulated vault manager and deposit physical gold meeting quality and quantity parameters with it. Against this, the vault manager will issue an EGR, electronic gold receipt, which will be tradable on the exchanges in the second tranche. A beneficial owner will surrender the EGR to a vault manager and take delivery of the gold in third tranche. A common interface will be developed between vault managers, depositories, clearing corporations, and stock exchanges to enable seamless execution of the three tranches. The proposed denominations reflecting underlying physical gold of EGRs are 1 kilogram, 100 gram, 50 gram, and subject to conditions, those can also be even for 5 and 10 grams. STT, Securities Transaction Tax, will be levied on trading of the EGR, and IGST, Integrated Goods and Services Tax, at the time of the delivery. Thank you.